Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to back up your data on your USB C hard drive easily from your Samsung S25 Ultra. So you can effortlessly transfer your phone data directly to an external drive. This way you're saving money as you're not paying for any subscription for any cloud backup. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see general management. Now scroll down again until you see reset. Now from here, you want to find external storage backup. So this will back up data to USB storage device or SD card, restore later on this device, another device using the Smart Switch app. So go ahead and take your USB C hard drive. So for example, this one here, plug it in, and now go ahead and tap on this. This will now detect your USB storage. Once you're ready, go ahead and tap on this, and then this will start to back up all your data from your phone to this USB C hard drive. So you basically keep your precious files safe without relying on cloud services, and you save storage space on your phone. I would highly recommend you do this at least once every month. So there you go guys, that is how to back up your data on your USB C hard drive easily using your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.